Hi, my name is John Mann, living in Mequon, Wisconsin, which is a suburb of Milwaukee. I installed my cable railing system on a house that was built about 30-some years ago. Replaced it a wood picket type of railing, and as you can see how beautiful the view off my deck is. I love my new railing system because it's virtually transparent. I get to look right through it to the beautiful views I have off my deck. Basically, there are 3 components to the railing system, 2 of which were very simple to install and 1 was hard. The installation of the posts and the leveling of the posts were relatively easy. The last step, the cabling, was also relatively easy and straightforward. The components supplied were great. The only hard part was the top rail. The top rail is made out of a really heavy steel material that was very hard to cut. I had to get a special chop saw with a steel blade to cut it. And then the securing of the components underneath was also a little more challenging. The screwing into the plastic block was relatively simple, but where I had to tap the metal and then screw into it was again very difficult. But all in all, I'm very, very pleased. It's strong, it looks nice. I think it'll last a very long time. I was able to install the railing just by bolting with the lag bolts provided directly into my wood deck. I replaced that board just to make sure I had a good solid connection. The railings were the easiest part, to get those straight up and level. The difficult part really was the railing, and I did have some difficulty with the screws and the tapping up of the deck. But once that was down and secured, the installation of the cables was quite easy and worked really well.